Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. I'm working as a software engineer at Artelis company, and today I would like to provide an overview of our open source tool, PowSybl-Metrix, which contributes to support the integration of renewables in electrical grids. So first, PowSybl, for Power System Blocks, is an open source framework written in Java, which is dedicated to the modeling and simulation of electrical grids. And Metrix is an optimization model included in this PowSybl framework, which is used to assess and optimize remedial actions in an electrical network submitted to constraints. It was created in 2010 and it's open source since 2021. And to illustrate a bit the main features of Metrix, you have here on the left-hand side two diagrams of a very simple example of a 6-node electrical grid model. So the first one is the base case, also called end case, which is representative of the normal operation of a grid. So you can see generators and loads as well as flows in the lines. And you can see that each node is connected through two electrical lines to its two neighboring nodes. So in the diagram below, which is the case of an outage, also called the n-1 case, you have one line between node south and southwest, which is broken, and this will imply a higher flow in the remaining line. Which will cause threats in the electrical network. So on this example, Metrix can be used in three different ways, which are the three calculation modes of Metrix. The first one is a simple security analysis, which can be run either in a n or n-k case. It consists of a power flow analysis under DC approximation, which enables to assess flows on the line, the electrical lines, and see, for example, if there are some overloads or threats on the network. And the two other modes are optimal power flow modes, either with or without redispatching option, which consists in optimization at each time step, either to minimize an economical cost of redispatching, if redispatching is accounted for, or to minimize some flow violations on the grid so that it can operate securely. So to sum up, Metrix is a very powerful optimization tool to find the least cost adjustment to a production plan to enable the electrical network to operate securely. But it can also be used for more advanced applications, such as assessing the hosting capacity of renewables on a grid. And finally, at Artelis, there are ongoing developments on Metrix, especially in the framework of Emerge, which is a Horizon Europe project, which are focusing on the modeling of flexibilities in the grid, such as batteries. And these developments will enable to further improve Metrix so that it can better support the integration of renewables in the grid, and especially, for example, for African countries within the Emerge project. Thank you for your attention. And here.